Yeah, we'll try something here.
This is amazing. All right, I want to do this.
Okay, we'll try this. Okay, we're gonna try something here.
Watch this. Just watch. It's amazing. It's like
I'm gonna go through the cards. Actually, you know what? Just touch one. Just touch a card. Okay, that one. So here's what we're going to do. We're going to take 2 clubs. Does someone still have the Sharpie? Oh my goodness. That was magic. You found its own. And here. Oh, yeah, write your name on the face.
Show it to the camera.
All right.
Your name's not Lily. I'm just kidding.
Okay, watch. Here, I want you to just hold it right here.
Okay.
And here's what I'm going to do. Hold it lower. I'm going to bend. I'm going to bend the corner of the card. Okay. What?
My friend likes you.
Okay. And I'm just going to rip it. And I want you to take your other hand. And I want you to remember that you ripped the card, not me. Okay? So watch, your card.
Trent's it is. Trent's like his partner. I didn't say assistant, I said partner. You said assistant. Amateur.
I don't even understand. What's under his tongue? It's $24.
I paid like $30
Wait, is it like back together?
Whoa!
Is it back together? Oh my god! Did you teach yourself this or like?
I'm freak.
I'm scared.
Wow.
Jimmy, I brought a wallet with no money.
Impressive. Wait.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
Wait, I'm very impressed. I'm impressed.
Wait, I have a face. Is this how you get your ladies? Like, do you like?
Wait, can I get a picture of you now? I'm